what is the difference between dot and source? So let me show you. So I have this simple script, which we have used it yesterday. Okay. Or let's use the other one because I think I have messed this one up. We have this simple script. Okay. Here, what we are trying to do, we have this one file, and we are trying to see if this file exists. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. This is if this is a file, and if it is having a read-only permission. That's it. Now, if I try to execute this script by this script2 by using this dot operator, okay, that's what I ask you guys. What is the difference between a dot and if I use this source command to execute the script? Do you think there is any difference if I execute this script using dot operator versus using this source command? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try to execute this script and then we will see. So first I'm executing the script using dot. Okay, so we got this output. Okay, you see there is no difference in terms of output. Both executed this, both the dot or and both source, it executed my script, and whatever which is present in my script, it does that and it displayed on the screen, right? Okay. And again, it's not a technical explanation, the difference between a dot and a source, but this question is asked in some of the interview. Okay. So the main difference is, and that's why some people prefer dot, is that this dot, I mean, both dot and source, they are both the shell built-in command. Yeah, some people will be surprised that dot is a command, but actually it's a shell built-in command. But the main difference is that source is only bash specific. So if you try to execute source in some other shell, it is not going to work. Whereas this dot is present in each and every shell. So if you have something like KSH or JSH, this will present. But the source is not present in except bash. So this is just a bash specific thing. So some people prefer to use source if they know that they are only programming in bash, whereas dot, it is present in each and every shell which is present. And yesterday we have seen like there are ways to check the shell supported by your operating system, etc. shells. So I know, once again, this is not any technical explanation, but just remember this thing. There are some interviews where they have asked this question, the difference between a dot and a source. Okay, internally, both these command is going to work similarly, but that's the difference between these two. Okay, and they both are not going to fork any new shell. They both are going to execute your script in the current shell. So if inside your script, let's say you are doing some kind of a variable, for example, var1 is equal to, or var equal to ABC, let's say. So this variable will set in your current shell, and it will stay there in that current shell as long as that shell has been open. So just be careful if you are setting up some variable inside your script. Okay.